How to get more friends and followers in Snapchat. Want to grow your Snapchat account and get more friends and followers? You've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a full step-by-step guide on how to get more friends and followers in Snapchat. So let's get started. First, tap on the Add Friends option, which you can find in the top corner. Here you can see an option called Added Me. These are all the person that has added you. You just need to accept it, and they will be in your friends and followers list. Now in Find Friends, you can find various friends you can add to. If you know them, you can simply click on Add, and they'll be seen that they will be required to accept your friend request. You can also add friends through your contact list. Simply make sure that your Snapchat has full access to your contacts. And once you've done that, you can simply go to Snapchat and tap on Add Friends again and simply go to All Contacts. And here you'll be able to simply find the people that are on your contacts. You can simply invite them to join Snapchat, or you can simply add them. And that's it. That's how you can simply get more friends on followers on Snapchat.